पनि छ तर हिमालयको त्यस्तो तालको छ कोही हिमाल र तालसँगै भए पनि हिमालको हाइट त्यति आफ्नो छैन नजिकै छ तिनीहरू उतापट्टि पुग्छौँ उतापट्टि 3-4 छ तर 3-4 चाहिँ त्यसले हिमाल खोज छ तर यो चाहिँ 8,091 मिटर अग्लो हिमालको फेदीमा यस्तो ताल पनि छ र यसको थुप्रै झरनाहरू हुन्छ हाइट त्यति हिँड्नु पर्दैन तपाईँ यहाँबाट 1305 मिटर हाइट पुगेपछि हामी बेस क्याम्प पुग्न सकिन्छ बेस क्याम्प पुगेपछि तपाईँहरू फर्किने बाटो यो अर्को बाटो छैन
But my heart feels wide. Snowy giants guard each side. Step by step the world unwinds. The clouds kiss the ridges, whisper low. The valleys below, they glow. As they rush by, the wind it howls, but it feels like a friend.
Sheep headers is like a mini mastiff. These are sheep headers dogs.
The mountain speaks, I hear it all. A silent bond.
Beautiful day near to the North Annapurna Base Camp.
And the heights, the songs of birds.
I've been watching you from across the room. Your smile lights up my gloomy day. Every time we talk it feels like magic, but why won't you stay? You always say you're just passing through, but your eyes tell a different story. I can see the way you look at me, it's more than just a flame. Why do you keep pretending? We both know what we want. Friends don't hold hands this tight. Friends don't share their hearts. I'm not just someone to pass the time. I'm the one who sees your soul. You laugh at all my jokes, you care when I'm sad, but then you vanish for weeks, leaving me wondering where you've gone. It's so confusing. I'm falling deeper.